Hello, everybody. At the outset, I would like to thank GSMA AMAGRI team for having given me an opportunity to be here in this panel in front of you. IFFCO Kisan Sanchar Limited, Kisan in Hindi means farmer. Sanchar is communication. It is rather rural communication for the farmer. It's a joint venture company between IFFCO, Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited, the biggest fertilizer producing unit in the world in the cooperative sector, and Bharti Airtel, the biggest telecom service provider in the country, and also Star Global Resources, who is a pioneer in mobile telephony in the country. Empowering the Indian farmers, the target or the focus is on farmers, generally the small holders, mostly who are living under $2 per day. They have limited or no access to conventional agricultural extension systems. Also, they have lack of or uneven information which can help them in increasing the yield and income in their farm. And they are exploited mostly by the middlemen. What is our approach? We empower the farmers by providing them timely, relevant, and actionable information, which they can learn without any limitation on time, space, or privacy. The concept is to leverage the penetration of mobile phone in the country and give the value-added services to the farmers and empower them. It is to say that the mobile phone is not a tool for communication only, but it can be transformed into a powerhouse of knowledge. IKSL model or the service construct or architecture of this is of two parts. One is the push part, which is sending up to five free voice messages to the farmers which are in his need. It may be agriculture, animal husbandry, weather, market rates, and so on. On the other side, on the pull part, the message, if the farmer has not listened to, he can re-listen. And also there is a facility to dial a number and ask queries and get answers, pose his problems and get them resolved. Apart from giving such messages to the farmers depending on agroclimatic zones in the country, the company is also into forming groups which have common interest, maybe the common crop, common occupation, and give them focused, customized services. There is partnership in this activity. The farmer is getting information, he converts into knowledge over the low-cost, highly affordable mobile services, which enables him to take decision which will result in reduction in cost, improved quality, increased income, and overall upliftment. In this process, not only the domain partners, namely IFFCO and Airtel, there are other partners. We have partnership with like-minded institutions who can provide us content, and we can thereby enrich our database, and we want to engage the farmers in a better manner. IFFCO is able to extend its extension activities in an effective manner through the system, and Bharti Airtel, the network operator, is able to achieve the scale, and the model is sustainable. We started initially in one state, Uttar Pradesh in India, in 2007, after a pilot where hardly 20,000 farmers were enrolled. They were given the SIM card, which was configured over the voice message platform, and voice messages were given to them. That was in only one language, Hindi. Now, it has been scaled to 18 states and 10 different languages. We have 3 million people who are the revenue earning customers, and 1 million farmers are there who are in the listening universe. They are actively listening to our voice messages. There is scope for tapping the potential for enrolling farmers, especially in the bottom of the pyramid, when the average rural penetration is about 35% in the country. In the bottom of the pyramid, people earning less than $2 a day. In 2007, it was only 4%, which has risen to 16% or so in the year 2010. We would like to say that this model of IKSL is having the features accessibility, replicability, and sustainability. Thank you very much.